Is AI getting too smart for comfort? Imagine receiving a product recommendation before you even realized you needed it, or walking into a store where the sales assistant knows your preferences without ever meeting you. AI's predictive powers have become so sophisticated that they seem to anticipate your every move. But is this convenience worth the cost? More importantly, what does it mean for the future of privacy? Today, we dive deep into how AI predicts our actions and whether privacy has become a thing of the past. 1. AI's rise in predictive analytics. AI's ability to predict human behavior has evolved rapidly. Predictive analytics, powered by machine learning, uses massive datasets to analyze patterns and make precise predictions about future actions. Every time you use Google, scroll through social media, or order something online, AI is learning more about you, your preferences, routines, and even emotions. Companies like Netflix and Amazon thrive on this data, using it to recommend shows or products that match your tastes. While it seems magical, the technology is built on constant surveillance. The question remains, is this helpful or is it an invasion of privacy? 2. Data collection, the fuel for AI. AI thrives on data. The more it collects, the smarter it becomes. Every app, website, or smart device you use collects vast amounts of personal information, from your location to your search history. Even seemingly insignificant actions, like browsing a product or liking a post, contribute to AI's data pool. All this information is used to create detailed profiles about you, which allows AI to predict your future behaviors. But where does the line between useful data collection and intrusive surveillance get drawn? The sheer volume of data collected raises serious concerns about consent and privacy. 3. The power of personalization. One of the main benefits of AI is its ability to personalize your experiences. From curated playlists to tailored shopping suggestions, AI creates content that feels uniquely yours. Companies utilize this to enhance user experiences, ensuring that the ads, products, or services you see are precisely what you might want. While personalization can make life more convenient, it comes with a cost: your data. Many users don't realize how much of their personal information is exchanged for these personalized services, raising concerns about how much of themselves they're unknowingly giving away to AI systems. 4. Surveillance capitalism, the business model. Surveillance capitalism is the business model driving many tech giants, where personal data is harvested, analyzed, and sold. Companies like Google and Facebook collect user data in exchange for free services, allowing them to predict and influence consumer behavior. This data-driven economy depends on a continuous flow of information to be profitable, with AI analyzing patterns in everything from search queries to social media activity. The problem: most people don't fully understand the implications of this trade-off, often unaware that their data is the product. Is the convenience worth the cost of becoming the commodity in this model? 5. AI in government surveillance. AI's predictive capabilities have also made their way into government surveillance. Law enforcement agencies and governments use AI to track citizens, detect potential threats, and even prevent crimes before they happen. Countries like China have taken this a step further with the implementation of social credit systems, where AI monitors public behavior and assigns scores based on actions. While some argue this helps maintain order, the potential for misuse is immense. The power of AI in the hands of governments can lead to severe privacy violations and opens the door to authoritarian control over the masses. 6. Predicting human behavior, how AI gets it right. AI's ability to predict human behavior is staggering. By analyzing past actions, social media habits, and even biometric data, AI can forecast everything from your next online purchase to potential health risks. Machine learning models learn from past behavior to become more accurate over time, making them shockingly precise. This technology is already being used in healthcare to predict diseases and in law enforcement to predict criminal activity. However, is it ethical for AI to make decisions based on predictions before anything has happened? These advancements force us to reconsider our expectations for privacy and personal autonomy. 7. Eroding anonymity. Is true privacy possible anymore? In the digital age, staying truly anonymous is becoming nearly impossible. AI can piece together fragments of data, like your location, browsing habits, and purchase history, to identify you, even if your data is anonymized. This process, known as data triangulation, erodes the notion of privacy and makes it difficult to stay hidden online. With AI's ability to cross-reference different data points, your online activity becomes an open book. While privacy laws exist, they struggle to keep up with these rapid technological advancements, leaving individuals vulnerable to tracking, profiling, and potential misuse of their personal information. 8. AI bias: the risks and dangers of predictive modeling. One of AI's biggest risks lies in the bias of its predictions. AI models are only as good as the data they're trained on, which can lead to biased outcomes if the data is incomplete or skewed. In law enforcement, predictive policing algorithms have been criticized for disproportionately targeting minority communities based on historical crime data. Similarly, AI in job hiring or healthcare can unintentionally reinforce existing inequalities. The lack of transparency in AI's decision-making processes only amplifies these risks, leading to dangerous, unfair consequences that disproportionately affect certain groups of people. 9. Balancing convenience with privacy. We live in an era where convenience often trumps privacy. AI offers endless conveniences, personalized services, targeted recommendations, and seamless digital experiences. But at what cost? Consumers often find themselves torn between enjoying the benefits of AI-powered personalization and maintaining their privacy. Is it possible to have both? Some argue that we can, through better transparency and opting out of certain data sharing practices. Others believe that the sacrifice of privacy is inevitable. Finding a balance between enjoying the perks of AI while protecting personal data will be one of the most significant challenges we face moving forward. 10. Can AI and privacy coexist? The future of AI and privacy is still being written, but there are promising solutions that could allow the two to coexist. Technologies like differential privacy and federated learning are emerging as ways to let AI learn from data without accessing personal details. Additionally, ethical frameworks and regulations could help ensure that AI operates within boundaries that respect privacy. However, the key will be holding companies and governments accountable. Will we manage to find a balance between AI's immense potential and the need to protect individual privacy, or will privacy become a casualty of progress? Is privacy truly dead in the age of AI? As we've explored, AI's predictive powers offer undeniable convenience, but they come with significant risks to privacy. While it may feel like we're losing control over our personal data, there is hope. Emerging technologies and ethical AI practices could help strike a balance between innovation and privacy. The future of privacy lies in our hands, through education, awareness, and holding companies accountable. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future. If you enjoyed unlocking the secrets of AI with us, don't forget to show your support. Hit that like button, share this vision with others, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. Together, let's continue exploring the world through the eyes of the AI visionary, where tomorrow's innovations come to life today.